Jai Hind friends, warm welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to file ITR-1 live practically step by step, in which if someone has deducted your TCS, someone has collected your TCS, or you have paid any excess advance tax and your tax liability is coming below threshold limit, which is 7 lakh rupees. So after filing ITR, you can easily claim your TDS refund in your bank account. In this video, we are going to file ITR-1 live practically step by step, in which you can show your salary or pension income from one rental income like from one house or one shop. Apart from that, you can show income from other sources like saving interest, FD interest, any part-time income, any freelancing income you can show in ITR-1 as income from other source. And apart from them, from this year up to 1,25,000 rupees long-term capital gain you can also show in ITR-1. So without getting delayed, directly we are going to take you on income tax portal, where we are going to file ITR-1 live practically step by step. Friends, if you have any doubt, query, question, feel free to comment in comment box, and if you want to take any professional help, you can call, message or WhatsApp us. So let's get started. So friends, to file ITR-1 and to claim your TDS in your bank account, what you have to do, you need to visit incometax.gov.in from your mobile, laptop or computer. And now if you are coming to this website first time, then first of all you have to register yourself. How to register yourself? We have already uploaded a detailed video, and we are assuming you are already having your user ID and password. Then just click on this login button. After clicking on login button, it will ask you to enter your user ID, and user ID can be your PAN, either Aadhaar. Now click on the continue button. Now click on this checkbox, and you have to input your password, which need to be remembered. If you do not remember your password, just click on the forget password and you can change your password using your Aadhaar OTP. Now click on the continue button. So after clicking on continue, our portal will be look like this. So before filing any ITR, you need to check two forms. One is TIS and AIS, which is annual information statement. Now we are going to click on it. Now we need to click on the proceed button. It will take us to a separate website. Now what we have to do, we have to click on this AIS button, which is annual information statement. Clicking on the AIS, now we have to select the financial year 24-25. Now we have to click on TIS, which is taxpayer information summary. Any transactions which we have done through our PAN card, like if we are getting any on record salary, our saving interest, FD interest, cryptocurrency, share market, Bitcoin, any transactions, dividend and FD, so all the transactions will be shown here. So it is requested any data, any amount showing here, we need to show in income tax return, otherwise our ITR may get defective. One, we have checked the AIS. Another, click on the e-file. Now click on the income tax return. Now we have to select view form 26AS. Anyone which TDS has been deducted on or PAN card will be shown here. Click on the confirm button. Now what you have to do, just click on this checkbox and click on the proceed button. Now view tax credit form 26AS. Now what we have to do, we have to select our assessment year, which will be the 25-26. Now view as HTML, just click on view download. Now any transactions on which TDS has been deducted, detail of tax deducted, the depositor or the payer, the whom you have given the income, 10 of deductor, amount, how much amount they have paid to you, and how much TDS has been deducted, it will be shown here. And the amount on which you have given form 15G or 15H means no TDS has been deducted, but you have to show this amount in your income tax return. Any other transactions will also be shown here. So make sure any transaction showing in AIS and TIS you must disclose in your income tax return. Now what we have to do, we have to select our assessment year, which is 25-26, current AY. The select mode of filing should be the online, which is also recommended by the income tax department. Click on the continue button. If earlier you try to file your ITR, then it will ask you to resume filing. You can continue that, otherwise you can start new filing. So we are going to click on start new filing. If fourth character of your PAN card is P, which is person or individual. Just click on the continue. Now ITR-1 we are going to file, or we are going to select who can file or who can not file. You can also check here. Now what we have to do, click with ITR-1 proceed. So it is giving a message, it is giving new tax regime is default tax regime. So if you want to go in old tax regime, then you have to select that. Otherwise in new tax regime you will not get any HRA, ATC, ATD, ATU, ATTT, any deduction you are not going to get. Click on the OK button, click on the let's get started. Now it will ask you to reason why you are filing your ITR. If your income is more than 3 lakh, click on this. If you have done these transactions, then click on any of them. Otherwise, if you click on the others, it will be fine. No need to worry. Now click on the continue button. It is again giving a message. In income tax return, we have some pre-filled data which we have seen in AIS, TIS and 26AS. So you can check them, you can confirm them, or if required, you can edit them. Click on the OK button. Now in just 3 or 4 steps, we are going to file our ITR. First is the personal information. Most of the information will be auto-filled here. Now the main part, gross total income, any deductions, we are going to file our ITR in new tax regime. So you need not to mention any deduction and exemptions here. Taxes paid means any TDS or TCS deducted will be shown here. And now verify your tax liability means if any tax payable will be shown here. Now we have to do on personal information. Just click on the personal information. Name, contact detail will be shown here. Now nature of employment, it's asking, suppose if you are getting any salary or pension, so who is giving you the salary and pension? So if you are getting any private pension or salary, then you can click on others. If you are not getting any salary, you can also select not applicable. In our case, we are getting pension from state government pensioner, so we have clicked just on it. Now if you are filing your ITR before 15 of September, which is due date, then click on 139.1. Now 115 BSc 6 opting out of new tax regime. If you are going to file your ITR in new tax regime, then there will be no tax up to 7 lakh. For that you have to click on no, and it will show you new tax regime. If you want to take deduction and exemptions, then your tax-free income will be 5 lakh only. Then you have to click on yes. It will take you to old tax regime. So we have selected as no because we are going to file in new tax regime. Now in bank detail, you have to add all the detail by clicking add another, and at least one bank account should be nominated for refund so that your refund can be credited in your bank account very easily. Now click on the confirm button. As you can see very well that confirm or personal information has been confirmed. Now we have to go on gross total income, which is main and important part of our video. Now it's showing you income from salary, and if there is coming automatic salary which they have taken from AIS and TIS. If you want to change any detail, you can click here. If nothing is coming here, you can fill your salary manually here. If suppose you are getting 20,000 per month your salary income, then your salary will be 2,40,000. You can mention here, you can put here. Let me show you the salary which is showing on online 433,008, and it is coming here 433,008. So it is very well and very fine. Now you are getting 75,000 rupees standard deduction in new tax regime. If you have selected old tax regime, you have to get only 50,000 rupees. Now what you have to do, you have to click on the save button. So salary income has been saved already. Now if you are getting any rental income from any shop and any house, only one property if you are having, then what you have to do, you have to click on the edit button. Suppose now if your property is let out, then only you are able to get the rental income. Click on the let out. Suppose if you are getting 1 lakh rupees your salary rental income, so what you will get, you will get 30,000 standard deduction, which is 30%, which is the standard deduction, and your taxable income will be only 70,000 rupees. So if you are having any rental income, and you can save it, otherwise you can click on the back button. Income from salary, income from house property. If you have to claim interest on your home loan paid. Up to 2 lakh rupees, you have to select old tax regime. If you want to take in new tax regime, you can take only on let out property, and up to the rental income. Income from other sources also very important part. So click on that. Now most of the information is coming here. Interest from income tax refund. Suppose last year you have received any interest on the income tax refund. Saving bank account is showing here 1245, but in our AIS we are getting our saving interest is 101409. Interest from saving bank 101409. So we have to edit it. For edit, click on this checkbox, click on this edit button. Now we have to edit here the actual interest which we have received. So we have edited it and we have mentioned the correct saving bank interest which we have received and which is showing in AIS. Click on the save button. Now again, income from other source, income from deposit or from bank or post office. This is the FD interest and it is again showing 72552, but in our AIS it is slightly higher. It is 172275. So we have to mention this amount in our income tax return. Now we have to click on edit button. Now here we have to mention the correct and exact income from interest from FD. After input the exact and correct FD interest, we have to click on the save button. Now if you are having any exempt income, suppose any PPF interest on any income which is just for reporting purpose, mention here. If you have received any long-term capital gain up to 1,25,000 from share or mutual fund, you can show in ITR-1 as well. Now click on the confirm button. Congratulations, our gross total income tab has also been confirmed. Now click on the total deduction. You know, in new tax regime there will be no deduction available for you. Just click on the confirm button. Now taxes paid, main part of our video. Suppose anyone has deducted your TDS on salary, other than salary, form 16, anyone has collected TCS, you have paid advance tax, self-assessment tax, entire detail will come here and the final TDS or TCS will be shown here 32331. You can check each and every item by clicking on it. Suppose we have got the pension income and the income and TDS is showing here. Another, we have received the TDS from income from other source and which is also showing here in our AIS and TIS. But in our TDS, form 15G or 15H has been given to FD income. So no TDS has been deducted on our FD income. So don't worry, any other detail you can mention here manually as well. Click on the confirm button, verify your tax liability. Friends, up to 7 lakh rupees there will be no tax, but tax is payable after 3 lakh, which is rupees 16598. But 87A section say if your income is up to 7 lakh, then the tax payable will be the 20,000 rupees, which we will give you the relief. So it is giving the entire amount as a relief. So total tax payable interest penalty is coming 000. What you have to do, just click on the confirm button and click on the proceed to verification. So congratulations friends, you are eligible for a refund of rupees 32310. Now click on the below and just preview and submit your return. Just click on this checkbox, the place where sitting you are filing this ITR, just input the place and now proceed to validation. If there will be any error, it will be shown here. Just click on that error and it will take you to that error and just rectify the error and proceed further. Now click on the preview button. Any income, any detail you have mentioned, you can check, confirm, and now proceed to validation. Again, validation has been successfully. Now we have to verify this return. So click proceed to verification. Now they are giving 3 options. E-verify now, it is also recommended through Aadhaar OTP. You can verify the return within 30 days. If you are not able to verify them, then just print out it and sign the ITR-V to CPC Bengaluru within 30 days. So what we are clicking on E-verify now and click on the continue button. Just click on the I would like to using Aadhaar OTP. Click on the continue button. I agree and generate Aadhaar OTP. Sometime it will take some time. So the Aadhaar OTP which you have received on your mobile number registered with Aadhaar, just input it and click on the validate button. Now it will ask you to confirm submission of return, and it is also giving a warning. After that, the modification not be allowed. You have to revise your ITR. Now we are going to submit because we are confirmed and submitted successfully. Now you can check your ITR has been successfully submitted and it is validated, and ITR is submitted successfully means when you have to click on the proceed button, you have successfully filed and verify your return, and it will showing a message that you will be notified to this mobile number and this email ID of the further processing. When your ITR get processed, when your ITR refund has been processed, they will notify you. Now you can click on the go to dashboard or download receipt. Receipt is the one page ITR acknowledgement. When we click on the download receipt, it will a single page PDF get downloaded. When we click on this download file, it will be shown like this, that your ITR acknowledgement, and here you will be able to see the assessment here, all the income which you have shown, all the TDS which you have claimed, means your ITR has been filed. Before filing ITR, please check AIS, TIS and Form 26AS, and you must have your professional CA chartered accountant. You can take any professional services from us by calling, WhatsApp or messaging us. So friends, if you have liked this video, please thumbs up us and please like this video. If you have any doubt, query, question, feel free to comment in comment box and share this video with your near and dear one. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.